Hello friends, welcome to your channel Crypto Beginner. Let's start your day with a good news first. I have just doubled the BitShiba burning, 1000 BitShiba for each subscriber on YouTube and 1000 BitShiba burning for each follower on Twitter. So let's make it a larger burn. Keep sharing, keep following, and keep sharing the videos and keep liking them to have the daily news. Now let's see the BitShiba movement as Bitcoin has been dumped hard. Now let's see what's the price in last 24 hours. What happened with BitShiba? It is down by 9.5% approximately, but the volume has increased by 12.19% on CoinMarketCap. Now currently the BitShiba rank is 4456. It is going down as the prices are going down. And now let's see how many holders do we have. It was 25,879 earlier. Now again we have reduced by 40 holders addresses, so people are doing a panic sell. So you keep holding the token as Bitcoin is also down, so obviously all the coins will go down. And see, even Bitcoin went 3.31% down, so it's obvious for each and every coin, all the altcoins maximum, that they will go down. So rather than doing a panic sell, just let's wait and watch. It's just been a month, not even a month, a day less than a month for BitShiba to be launched. It was launched almost on 11th November and it's just 30 days. So now let's see what all we have accomplished in these 30 days. Website was launched, smart contract deployment was done, 10k community members achieved, fair 100% fair token launch is done, DEX listing is done, liquidity has been logged with Unicrypt, 50% of total supply has been burned, white papers released, coin market cap and CoinGecko listing is done, growth, promotion and awareness. They are doing awareness and promotions of it all over. Influencer marketing, they are working on it almost. We have not seen any yet, but as the developer says, they are working on the background and 50,000 community members. So on Twitter. Let's see how many followers do we have on BitShiba. It should be somewhere around 70,000, which was it is 72.2k. So they have achieved that goal as well. Now we are on phase 3 Certic audit. It is completed. High profile partnerships are in progress. We have seen Ample Swap listing it. We have seen La Tokens listing it, and we have seen Bubble Maps listing it. So let's just wait because no token can go rugs to riches in just a period of a month. So let's just wait and watch. They said that a bigger listing is on its way in the last tweet, so we can just wait for it. Thank you. That was the updates for BitShiba as of today. So don't panic sell, just wait and watch. Let's at least give it a 3 to 4 months of time because they have shown a good progress, a better progress than other coins in just a span of 1 month. And for such videos, keep like, share, and subscribe so that it motivates me and I give you updates, a daily update on BitShiba token price movement and other things which we have on the BitShiba. Thank you very much.